Hey, Tech here. Finally get to reveal my barn find. What is it? Let's get into it and check it out. So let's get right into it. I brought this down from Wisconsin. I've actually got two cars in here. Most of you in this channel are into trucks. This may not be for you. This is a lifelong dream for me, but let's go ahead and unveil it. As you can see here, I've got a 1968 Austin Mini Cooper S. A little rough. She was a racer. She spent a lot of her time in the 70s and 80s on a track up in Indiana, Wisconsin, Milwaukee, places like that. A lot of service rust, like I said. It's got the dual gas tanks from the factory. Floors have already been welded out. They had a fuel cell back there. You know, walking around, there's some parts there on the inside. Got the dual hinges. And look what we've got here. We've got a 1960 Morris Mini Minor. This one here is a little rougher. And when I say rougher, the floors need to be replaced on this one. This one, I believe, was intended to be a racer down the road. It does have some parts and things like that. Got the original steering wheel, pedals, e-brake. As you can see, the floors need replacing. There's the original Speedo. It has 4 miles on it. Original dash, back seat. A lot of that surface rust and the paint coming off. The roof line is pretty damn clean. I've got the headliner in the garage. I don't have a video of all of the parts and things like that, but we do have a majority of everything to put it right back together. Obviously, it's going to need some elbow grease and things like that, welding. The original hood hinge. But yeah, so excited to bring these guys home. I had to move these from my other house. We ended up moving once. So I had a lot of things on hold in regards to picking these up. I was able to leave them over there while I was selling the house. I need to get these down though, and don't really have any help. So I've got a cart there I made that moves them around. As you can see here, I've got the Mini Minor. Tag still on that original 1960 boot lid. Original tires, 10-inch rims. A lot of fun picking these up. I definitely did not tow them down to Texas strapped up like this. I needed to quickly move them. My buddy let me borrow his trailer, so I want to thank Texas Secret Spot for that. Fiberglass hood sitting inside here for the racer. I won't be looking to use that in my project, so that's going to be up for sale here shortly. Some original doors. Those are spares. The 1960 doesn't have doors on it right now, but those are in the garage and separate. Over here I've got a 1968 boot lid. Don't have it on, don't have anything attached right now, but all the parts and stuff that I need to be sorted, they're in the garage and ready to go. So here they are. Let's show you how I got them. So I've rented a car hauler here locally in Texas. Picked it up. It's a 20-foot car hauler. I was able to rent it for 3 days, but with the weekend and everything, they ended up giving me 5 days, which cost me about $180. So we're off to Wisconsin. First stop is Dallas. Need to pick up my mom. She wanted to go on this trip with me. Due to some technical difficulties, was not able to get the whole trip filmed. A lot of things missed, but here is what we were able to recover. Overall, the drive is pretty smooth. Took about 23 hours to get up to Wisconsin from Texas. Mom got to see Route 66. I got to see a lot of traffic. So obviously a good trip away. Was able to pick up a lot of things. When I get home, my wife may kill me as I'm bringing 2 minis home when I should probably be bringing 1 home. This was a package deal. It included these two shells as well as all of the parts to put them back together, supposedly, as well as two engines that go with the 1960. Those are two 850cc engines. I also have a 1275 engine and a 1293 engine, but the 1275 and the 1293 are interchangeable. I have a GT gearbox, some other parts here or there. I've got the original glass, some of the original chrome. Don't have the full front end for the 60 or the 1968. Gonna have to piece part those together. Have the original wheels and tires for the racer, original 10-inch rims and tires for the 1960. But more or less, there's a lot to put back together, a lot to sort. For you out there who are interested in the Mini community, the classic Mini community, one of these cars is going to be for sale. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to restore both of them. I'd love to, but with some things happening personally as well as professionally, I'm only going to be able to take on one of these. So if you are interested, please reach out to me. Not sure which one I'm going to sell yet, be it the 1960 or the 1968. If you are interested, definitely send me a message. Message me on Instagram at ScouserTech, or comment below, or send me a message here via YouTube. In regards to this channel, this is going to be a special project upcoming. I do have more Silverado things upcoming as well, and a few other items. So keep those subscribes coming, keep those likes coming. Got a giveaway coming up here at 1,000 subscribers, so stay tuned.